In the peaceful town of West Terre Haute, Indiana, 19-year-old Erica Case invited two boys over for a nighttime swim party. The next morning, Erica was found stabbed to death.
33 cuts to her body, absolutely brutal.
The teenage boys Erica had been with the night before became the main suspects in her murder. But they focused in on Clint Mackey, a new acquaintance with a history of violence towards women.
And slammed me against the wall.
She had a handprint around her throat.
While evidence against Clint was mounting,
He realized he had blood on his hand.
and after talking to him face to face,
Did you ever see Erica like this?
No, I didn't.
I'm thinking I'm looking directly in the eyes of a killer.
the Vigo County prosecuting attorney felt there was enough evidence and agreed to take the case against Clint to a grand jury. But before it could be presented, Clint Mackey walked into the Benton County, Iowa Sheriff's Office and told them everything he knew about the night of Erica Case's murder.
I walked in the house, I grabbed the knife, I walked right over and I killed her. And I didn't talk to her. I didn't ask any questions. I killed her.
What would motivate a criminal to confess? You would hope that there is a moral value somewhere inside of a person that says, you know, really, I know right from wrong. And can I live with myself or can I not live with myself?
Correct me if I heard you wrong, but you want her family to know what happened? Is that what you said? Or your family?
I want her family. I want everybody to know.
I was notified by Captain Moats late one evening. He called me on the phone.
He didn't give us any indication of fabricating.
It was just completely, almost unbelievable.
The process will be, we'll get appointed the attorney. They'll probably go ahead and set for a pretrial and a trial.
In our justice system, just because you confess to a crime, you still have the right to have a fair trial. So right now, we're still in the beginning phases of the court process.
Since the episode originally aired, the case against Clint Mackey has started to move forward.
We came today for a further proceedings hearing for Clint Mackey.
A time frame for somebody being charged all the way through to sentencing, it's hard to predict. Sometimes it can go rather quick depending on the willingness of the defendant. Sometimes it can go for months, if not years, so it makes it tough.
If he doesn't accept a plea bargain, is it going to go to trial?
Yes, it will go to trial. So now we're going through the process. Either one, he can take a plea bargain, or he can keep a plea as not guilty, go in front of a jury, have a trial, and then we'll see what the outcome is.
Kelly and Yolanda, I thank them very much. They told me not to give up, that it was a process and just be patient. And I said, I've been patient for 15 years at the time. I said, I think I can be patient a little longer. Clint being held accountable for what he does brings a lot of closure, because I didn't really have hope it would happen in my lifetime. My words to other families is don't give up hope and don't dwell on the past. Just look towards the future and think, yeah, I'm going to have justice